Hey y'all, my husband broke his loppers and so we ordered these. We got a better brand than we normally do. This is the Fiskars 32-inch loppers. We chose these because they will cut up to 2-inch in diameter, which is really big for loppers. My husband had been using them already this day, and so he had cut most everything that was large. So I'm gonna just show you something that we had in the yard that needed to be taken down. He was extremely impressed at how easy it slices through things and how it opens up completely so that you can get the large branches and do it with ease. The other thing he told me I have to mention, this is a lifetime warranty, which is great if you have a husband who likes to break things.